RUX. We win. You guys should be able to handle whatever we throw at it.
And this is the waterproof tote bag.
Closes tight, carries right, and keeps your gear dry, wherever you take it.
Sleek and stealthy, adaptable, clever, durable.
It's a premium tote bag, ready for anything, from boat to boardroom to barbecue. And then when nature strikes, it converts into a fully waterproof roll-top bag to protect your valuables.
Sturdy enough that it stands on its own like that. Nice and tall and open and easy to access.
Unlike floppy dry bags or sagging totes, the RUX holds its shape. With wide mouth access for fast, frustration-free packing. No wrestling, no tipping, no wasted time. Carry it however your day demands.
We've got some easy carry handles, a detachable shoulder strap. We've got the 360-degree lash point system. Lash your bag to any vehicle, paddleboard, bike.
You asked for pockets? We gave you two. A subtle exterior pocket makes for a quick stash spot, and an interior pocket for waterproof protection. Sleek, secure, and zipper-free.
One of our design challenges is designing without zippers because we know that zippers are usually the first thing that fail.
That left us a roll top, and roll tops are extremely well proven and understood.
The result? A truly waterproof and dustproof bag with zero compromise.
One might think that we've overbuilt this bag by using 840D double-coated TPU fabric. It's tough enough to be in a life raft, but we want our products to last a lifetime.
This top is made out of 420D nylon, so a little bit lighter than the rest of the bag, but that makes it so that it rolls up really nice.
Every detail is deliberate. Every material earns its place.
It's all been RF welded together. Should never come.
Bonding process that's stronger than stitching with zero weak points for water. Low profile hardware, clean exterior lines, ID card for tracking what you pack. The padded base protects your gear when you drop it, toss it, or drag it. Sleek enough for the city, rugged enough for everything else. Now available in 3 sizes as requested by you. The 15-liter for daily carry, thick laptop, camera, or climbing shoes. The 30-liter for farmer's market, gym, runs, or trail gear. And the 50-liter, your camp hauler, beach bag, or gear base camp for full-on family missions. The strength of the design is its simplicity.
Basically, my ethos is that less is more.
It packs an insane amount of versatility in a sophisticated design. And like everything we make, the waterproof tote bag integrates seamlessly with the rest of the RUX system.
RUX is an entire system of products so that everything actually works together. The whole point of a trip is to go have fun, and it should start from the time you start packing.
Yeah, we launched RUX 5 years ago with a crowdfunding campaign for the original RUX 70. Since then, we've sold tens of thousands of them. After that, we launched the waterproof bag V1.
This is the 3rd generation of our waterproof tote bag. Every year it sells out.
We just want to build a product that stands the test of time. We make everything that's on the bag removable. If it breaks, we can replace it. And ideally, just have this bag for a lifetime.
The bag is back for life.
Because real sustainability means making gear that lasts a lifetime and backing that promise all the way. I'm Jamie Bond, one of the co-founders at RUX.
My name's Trina Thompson.
I'm Tony Richardson.
My name's Andre Charland. I have no idea what I do.
None of this is possible without you, our community of testers, travelers, and trailblazers. So, back the campaign.
You back us, we'll back you. For life.
From wild weekends to wet commutes,
Testing the waterproof tote bag out.
this bag's got you covered. Truly waterproof and dustproof, effortlessly versatile. And backed for life. Ready for wherever you go next. Don't forget to pack your underwear.